it's Brianna. In today's video, you are going to be packing with me. I wanted to show you how to pack for your family for a vacation. I'll kind of go through my method that I do just to make sure that we're prepared for the weather or any activities that might be going on that day. And then I'll show you my actual like packing cubes and how I fold stuff and get everything into the suitcase, and just some of like the tips and hacks I've learned for traveling with kids, and like stuff that I make sure I bring that I might pack in my checked bag, or things that I make sure I take in my carry-on bag for the airplane. So I hope that this video is helpful for you if you're going on a vacation and trying to figure out how to pack for your kids or how to pack for you and the rest of your family and make it all work. We've traveled a bunch, so I feel like I've learned a lot of good stuff, but if there's anything I've missed, please leave that in the comments because I want to hear about it, because we have even more travels coming up this summer, and I'm sure anyone watching this video could definitely learn from the comments as well. And if you're new here, click that red subscribe button, join in all of the family fun here, and click the thumbs up if you learned something new in this video today so that I know you liked it. But all right, let's get to packing all this fun stuff that I've got laid out here. So one of the first things I do is write every day that we are going to be on vacation. I look up what the weather is going to be, the high and the low, just so that I know if I need to pack a jacket or a sweater. And also, if we're going to a certain amusement park that day, I would write that on here, or a certain event or activity. We're just at a resort the entire time, so I sort of know, hey, we're just going to be hanging out there. And because the weather is going to be so nice and warm, I really don't have to pack any extra layers to go over anything. But I do make sure if we're going to be doing activities like swimsuits for the pool or workout outfits or pajamas, I make sure I write all that stuff out, and then I'll kind of lay everyone's outfits out piece by piece so that I have the top and the bottom. I still have to go through and get the underwear, but for Prezi, I'll make sure she has her outfit. I'll put the bows or the ribbons or whatever she might be wearing, I'll clip them on to her dress or like wrap it around what she's wearing, set out shoes, just so that I make sure I don't forget anything when I'm packing. And I always like to try to coordinate their outfits, so you can see they're kind of in whites and pinks, buffalo checks that day, some sort of tropical prints on this day, some pinks, and some sort of like corals and blues on that day. So this is kind of just my way that I can see everything laid out and do a fast double check to make sure I don't forget anything. And I just got a call from my dad's place, so I'm actually going to rush there quickly with Adam and the kids, and I'll just have to come back and pack later tonight after the kids go to bed. So see you back there. All right, so the kids are in bed and I'm gonna start packing, and I figured I would show you sort of like the bags first and sort of like my gear for packing before I actually pack anything. So this is the large suitcase in my suitcase set. It is a CalPack. I really like it. I feel like it has so many just different like pockets and zippers and parts, and it's super, super lightweight. And of course I like the rose gold color. And I got these coordinating rose gold packing bags that I'm gonna use for me. And then Bag Ale, I think that's how you say it, Bag Ale, sent us a bunch of other packing bags. So I'm gonna use these for the kids, and I think I'm gonna give this one for Adam because it's like a really cool like toiletry packing kit. So that's really cool. I also got these at Target a while ago that I normally use for the kids. So those are kind of like my big suitcase, my packing cubes. My little suitcase is over there. It like came in a set. And then I also have this CalPack backpack for my laptop. I'm obsessed with this thing, and I feel like a backpack is just essential for when you're a mom traveling in the airport so that your hands can be free. But I just like love all of the detailing on it. It has two pockets. So this is kind of like the bigger pocket where I've got like my sunglasses and my Pepto and like lip gloss and all of that, and like my wallet, just a bunch of my charge cords and some snacks for the kids. But then this back pocket, this is what I really like. Those are my feminine products, yes. This is where you like slip in your laptop. So I just really like how functional this is. And this little pocket, or I guess it's more of a strap here, it's not a pocket, because see, like your hand goes all the way through. This sits on the handle. When you pop out the handle from the suitcase, you can like put the handle through this so it can sit on top of the actual luggage. So I love, both pieces are CalPac and I absolutely love them. I set some other just like outfits out here that I might bring as extras, but I kind of set mine up with all of the kids too, just so I'm making sure I'm prepared for everything that I need, and all of the extra like diapers, pajamas, toiletries, all that stuff for the kids. Then for the kids, I got them these Pottery Barn book bags. These are, I believe, the pre-K size is what they're called, but they still have a ton of like pockets on the side. I feel like they're the perfect size for toddlers, honestly. I think anything bigger, it would just be like too big and hard for them to carry. Like they both wear these on their own. And this is what we pack for each of them. So they each have, these are one of the like Amazon tablets, the Fire tablets, I think is what they're called. So they each have their own tablets and headphones. I'll link the ones that we have. So those are Landon's and Presley's. And then for each of them, I just always make sure they have different like snacks that they like. So some veggie straws, and they have, each of them has wet ones, and each of them has like an shoot kit where they have an extra change of clothes. Landon has a pull-up in here, like just in case. He's fully potty trained, but like just in case he were to have an issue, and some hand sanitizer. And same thing, Prezi has like veggie sticks, and her shoot kit is a little more packed because we are like in the middle of potty training her. So she's got a bunch of pull-ups, a change of clothes, a pack of wipes. She also has hand sanitizer in there, and she's got some extra wipes in here. And then I just always get these extra like dollar coloring books. She's got a bag of crayons in here. She's got some fruit snacks in there. She's got a bunch of Monster Mix. Landon can't eat this, but she can. And Landon has a Cars like coloring book play pack. He's got snacks that he can actually eat, some like cheddar squares, and I think, what else did I put in here for him? Oh, he likes writing on Post-it notes on airplanes. It's actually like nice because they can like stick them all over the front of the seat. Some Kleenex, and then Presley can share that if they need it. Oh, and he's got like a protein bar in there too. So that is how we pack the kids' carry-ons then. And just a couple more tips when it comes to packing like diapers and toiletries. We always bring these swimmers if we're going anywhere where we know the kids are going to be swimming in the pool. And definitely sunblock. You want to make sure, we've had so many disasters on vacation of just like sunblocks that caused like eczema or rashes. So this Pure and Simple Baby is the one we've been going with. And I also would highly recommend, this is another bag-all, but getting some kind of waterproof travel bag for all of your toiletries, just in case anything explodes on the plane. You don't want it to ruin the rest of your suitcase. So make sure it's in something that's plastic and waterproof, even if it's just like a Ziploc bag like what I have. The kids, no kits in. And one other thing we loved doing at Disney that we're just not doing this time because of the resort we're staying at, but getting Amazon Prime all of your diapers, pull-ups, snacks can just be a great way to, you know, save yourself some of the weight in packing if you're trying to get everything into one suitcase instead of having to pack all this stuff. So that's just another tip we've learned too. Yes, Landon's become obsessed with Star Wars, and he asked if we could bring those for his bedtime story still on this trip. So he's got the trilogy there. And then this Downy Wrinkle Releaser, they sell this in the travel section of Target in this smaller bottle. This is a must pack for me, whether I'm traveling for business or just because like all of those dresses that I have there, I always pack this. And I also have a little mini travel steamer that I bring with me as well. So those are my two things I make sure that I pack so that I don't have any wrinkles. And when it comes to jewelry, I save these little bags. I know like the black one is from Express. I think this one was from Uncommon James when we went to Nashville, but I save these and use them then for traveling, just to put in earrings or jewelry that I don't want tangled or just like tossed around in a suitcase. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is just use a cube to get all of the kids like everyday outfits in one of the cubes, and then I'll put all of their pajamas and extra clothes in one of the other cubes then as well. And when it comes to how I fold things, I'll just always kind of try to do like a fold and roll method. Like I'll fold something in half and roll it up, and I'll kind of then like roll the outfit together so that it's rolled up like this. I just find that this way it just gets like the least amount of like wrinkles. I don't know, I feel like anything in a suitcase is probably gonna come out wrinkly, but I feel like when it's rolled up and when it's then rolled together, it kind of helps too if Adam's helping them or something like that in the morning get dressed, that if they're rolled together he knows exactly what goes with what. So that kind of makes it easier for everyone. And then because I have my like little labels already made, I'll put those in these bags. Now if you don't want to invest in packing cubes like this, I always used to just do it by Ziploc bags, especially now that the kids are getting bigger, it's a little trickier to do that, but when they were younger, or definitely per kid could still fit into a Ziploc bag on its own. If you just want everything to be super coordinated, you can put in the socks and the underwear and the top and the shorts and all of that into a Ziploc bag with like the day labeled, and know, okay, this is exactly what everybody is going to be wearing on that day. I hope that's helpful. You have to let me know in the comments if you do anything similar, or if you have like a better way to go about how you fold your stuff or how you put things in suitcases, because I'm always trying to learn new things. And like with this one, when there's like a collared shirt, I'll put that on the side that gets like rolled up last too, so it has like the least amount of damage to it. I don't know. There you go, it's all folded up in one of these packing cubes, which then just makes it like so much easier as you kind of try to like space out where everything should go in your suitcase too. So
my hand looking at the sunset, man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling.
seriously why I love this suitcase too, because it's just so easy to like zip everything up on one side and like section it off so nicely. Okay, I'm gonna repack the kids' carry-ons, and don't laugh at me, but this is one of the things I do like about using Ziploc bags. If you like unzip them just a little bit, you can like squish them down really tight so that they like take up less space in the bag, and then reseal them. So I already did it with Landon, so it's like a little squish in there, but it just makes it easier to fit inside of these bags. It just looks totally funny while you're doing it. And Adam gets Dad of the Year award because he made sure he took all of like the Disney DVDs that we have and downloaded the digital downloads of a bunch of the movies. So I know Presley's got Beauty and the Beast on hers. That's her very favorite movie of the moment. Landon has Incredibles on his. Can't remember all the other ones he said he downloaded, but man, I had those like shoved in there really good. I might have to put them in my bag. I'm not gonna be able to fit them in there now that I like took everything out, but Landon fits. Victory! And I found that there's one for my gal pack and two from the other set of these like laundry sort of bags. So I'm going to use the blue one for Landon's laundry, the purple one for Presley, and the pink one for me.
And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but
but it's okay because we usually take 2 of these big ones, and that's why I even left this dip out, because I'm going to put this in Adam's suitcase along with like my toiletries. I'll just pack all those together using one of those, and I can kind of swap out maybe some of the kids like diapers and things like that I know we're not going to be coming home with those anyways. We can put those in Adam's suitcase. I don't know if you saw my nails for Palm Springs, but I got little palm fronds on the ring finger in this like very light peachy pink coral color. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this pack with me video. We're so excited for this vacation. I hope those tips helped. Again, if there's anything I forgot, let us know in the comments down below. And if you're new here, I hope you subscribe before you go, and you can check out some of the other videos that I've posted recently on my channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, loves. Time changes.